Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to get potato graphics in Fortnite. I'm going to show you two ways to do this with DirectX 12 and with DirectX 11. This tutorial will be as quick as possible, and just make sure to subscribe to this channel and leave a like on this video if you will find this guide useful. Now, first of all, what you need to do is launch Epic Games Launcher, go to your library, find Fortnite, click on three dots and click on Options. On Options, this will open up and you want to make sure that DirectX 12 option is selected. Make sure it's that and click Apply. After that, load up the game. Now, once the game was launched, you want to open up Settings on Fortnite and you want to make sure that your rendering mode is a DirectX 12. And of course you want to apply it. You also want to ensure that all the other settings are also set to low. So for example, let's go ahead and choose DirectX 12. Let's apply it. Now you want to ensure that all of the settings are set on low, and especially, for example, textures, it needs to be on low. Then also effects, reflections, I believe. Let's leave it to that. Shadows can also be turned off. Basically, all of these needs to be set on low. Now, there's Nanite Visualize Geometry. You want to turn it on. It fixes the backgrounds being super buggy, and then click Apply. And you can go back now. Now, what we need to do is go ahead and download NVIDIA Profile Inspector. So that would be the first option on GitHub. Once you write it down, then you want to click on the zip file and download it. Once you will download it, you want to open it up, extract the files, and then you need to go ahead and open Extract All. And let's extract it to our desktop, and we will have it here. Now, once it is all set up, you want to open it up. Now, once we have it opened up, you want to go at the top here, Profiles, and you want to find Fortnite. So let's go ahead and find Fortnite, just like so. Now, you will see that the green line here, and if it is here green, then it actually worked, and all you now have to do is set up some settings. So at the top left, once you will click on this profile and it is green, you want to find the third option, anti-aliasing. And on anti-aliasing, you want to go ahead and find transparency super sampling, and on transparency super sampling you want to select the mode. So click on the arrow option and you want to select the mode with lots of zeros and 8 at the end, AA mode, replay mode, all. So this one needs to be selected. Then you want to scroll down until you see texture filtering, and on texture filtering you will see LOD bias, DX, and OGL. These ones needs to be set up to a specific setting. I'm gonna leave in the description below. So you want to go ahead and paste this option. It's basically 0 times and then 6 zeros and 45. So these needs to be set up to this option. And then texture quality. So this one, it is now set up to quality. You want to choose high quality. And that's pretty much it. After that, just click Apply Changes. So this is one option how you can do this on DirectX 12 option. You can go ahead and launch the game to see how it looks like. And now the second option would be to do this on DirectX 11. So anti-aliasing needs to be this one the same as it was. But texture filtering, you want to set it up a little bit differently. So that would be quality the same, so high quality, but the bias, DX, and OGL needs to be set up to a different option. And that option is +3 at the bottom, basically almost the last one. So +3, 30,000 or something like so. So basically choose that, just like so. And again, apply the changes, open the game settings. Now for this specific option, you want to open up the game and set up the performance mode instead of DirectX 12. So let's apply the changes and open up the game. Now, as you can see, it's already like that. And now you want to go to settings. This is for the second option. You want to set it up on performance mode and apply it. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you can do it in 2 ways. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.